I'm Cameron.
And I'm DeAndre Crawley.
And I'm James Williams.
And we're teaching the periodic table in its history.
Yeah. Today we're going to learn about the periodic table of elements.
What's the periodic table anyways?
My name is Dimitri Mendeleev. And the periodic table is the elements arranged by the laws and theories, but they begin with their periodic laws. Dimitri Mendeleev. The periodic table contains all known elements and is arranged in groups and columns.
Dimitri Mendeleev. He sounds European. You sound European a little bit.
He's Russian.
Oh.
He was born February 8, 1834 in Chbosky, Russia, youngest of the 14 of the children, and he learned from his brother-in-law.
Oh. Okay. And?
He went to school at Central and an institute where he studied science. He became a chemistry professor. Died January 20th, 1907 in St. Petersburg, Russia.
Okay, so tell me some more history about this table of elements or periods, I guess. I don't know.
John Alexander Newlands prepared the first periodic table of elements arranged in order of the atomic weights and pointed out the law of octaves that every element has similar. The table does not have one creator either. It's more than one. It was based off of laws and theories that rearranged the order of the elements. The new laws that were created by chemists also found new elements to be added to the table.
Okay, so what do you, Dimitri Mendeleev, this one of you Russian dude, have to do with the periodic table? I bet you can't answer that, can you?
First of all, I'm Russian, and Dimitri Mendeleev is one of the first chemistry professors to create a law that arranged the periodic table.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
No.
Mendeleev's law created and helped discover 3 new elements to fill the gaps from the older periodic table. The 3 elements were gallium in 1875, scandium in 1879, and germanium in 1879.
Whatever, man. I'm tired of you. You think you're such a smart aleck and whatnot. Whatever. One of these Russian dudes.
You see what you do? You see what you do?
What I do? What? Try to tell me what I do.
First of all, you gotta have your groups. That's what you're trying to get into your noggin. You have to have your groups.
Okay.
Or columns and rows, basically, right?
Okay.
And you're supposed to remember that groups have a name. And then periods don't have a name, but from top to bottom, the energy levels increase in each element.
Okay. And?
Stay with me now on this, all right?
Okay.
Okay, you see? It says groups are columns and periods are the rows. Are you understanding this?
Okay.
And from left to right, the groups increase 1 number.
Okay.
And it says group 1 is the alkali metal, and group 2 is the alkali earth metal.
What's the difference? I'm sorry. Continue. Okay. That wasn't in the script. Keep going.
Group 3 through 12 is the transition metals. Notice that the start at the third period. And these few metals in group 13 are aluminum, gallium, germanium, and so on and so forth. There are non-metals that overlap other metals because they are in groups of 13 and 16 as well,
Okay.
such as boron and carbon and nitrogen.
Okay.
Group 17 is the halogens because they are the most reactive, and group 18 are the noble gases because they never react.
Okay.
So, also, groups 1 and 2 are the S blocks.
Mhm.
Groups 3 through 12 are the D blocks.
Okay.
And groups 13 through 18 are the P blocks. And last but not least, the actinide elements and the lanthanide elements are in the F block. They are located within periods 6 and 7. The periods are the rows.
Mhm.
And they are sorted by the energy levels in elements. And when the periods increase, then the energy level increases from top to bottom. And on period 4, you can see that group 3 through 12 comes all of a sudden, but there are lower energy levels.
I never thought that they could be used for stuff.
Well, yeah, some of the reasons why they are used are for monoatomic storage chemistry, and that's all I can remember right now.
I guess you're so old, huh?
Yeah, I guess so.
I'm sorry, Mr. Mendeley. Do you forgive me?
Yeah, sure. Well, over the periodic elements, another review is this is the alkali, this is the alkaline earth metals. All of D is the transition metals, and the four metals are all here in the blue. Noble gases are all of this right here. Rare metals down here. And non-metals is all the way.
Thank you for this wonderful chemistry lesson, Mr. Mendeley. I was not silent yet.
Okay. What is propane? I'm glad you asked. Propane is a gas that you use for your grill. Right? Also sold at James Williams Market Incorporated.
And what I learned in Ms. Jackson's chemistry class this year, I say that it's very important to learn your polyatomics and stuff because basically it helps your grade a lot for her class if you do have her. And then I'm glad that it really brought my grade up because I had like a 107% in her class. So.
Hi, I'm James. And what I learned in chemistry is that it's important to learn how to balance equations because they really help you in stoichiometry. And what I liked the most was during the labs.
Alright, going back to polyatomics. They are really a big part of your percentage in our class, and you need to know those because you're going to be tested over it over and over throughout the whole year.
Hi, everybody.
No!
Thanks for the word. Thank you, everybody, for listening. Thank you, Ms. Jackson.
Thank you, everybody.